Bell peppers, also known as sweet peppers or capsicums, are among the most widely consumed vegetables worldwide. Their vibrant colors, red, yellow, orange, and green, make them a popular choice in salads, stir-fries, and various dishes. But have you ever wondered how millions of these colorful vegetables make it from farms to grocery stores every day? The secret lies in cutting-edge agricultural technology. Instead of relying solely on manual labor, modern farms utilize advanced machines to harvest bell peppers efficiently and quickly. These machines are designed to handle large-scale harvesting, ensuring that the demand for fresh produce is met worldwide. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating world of bell pepper harvesting machines, how they work, their impact on agriculture, and the future of automated farming. The rise of mechanized farming in bell pepper harvesting. For centuries, farmers relied on manual labor to plant, nurture, and harvest bell peppers. Traditional methods involved hand-picking each pepper, which was time-consuming and labor-intensive. As global demand for fresh produce increased, farmers needed more efficient ways to meet market needs. This necessity led to the development of mechanized harvesting solutions, revolutionizing the farming industry. Machine-based harvesting has significantly improved efficiency, allowing farmers to process massive quantities of bell peppers daily. Modern farms now integrate technology into their harvesting processes, reducing reliance on human labor and ensuring consistent production. With automation, bell pepper farming has become more scalable, making it possible to supply millions of peppers to markets across the globe every single day. Why switch to machine harvesting? One of the main reasons farmers are shifting to machine-based harvesting is speed and efficiency. Machines can harvest bell peppers at an exponentially faster rate than human workers, covering large fields in hours rather than days. This rapid harvesting ensures that fresh produce reaches consumers quickly, maintaining quality and reducing waste. Another major factor is cost reduction. Hiring a large workforce for manual harvesting can be expensive, especially in regions facing labor shortages. Machines eliminate the need for excessive labor, reducing operational costs over time. Although the initial investment in harvesting technology can be high, the long-term savings make it a worthwhile choice for commercial farms. Precision and consistency are also key advantages of machine harvesting. Advanced machines use sensors and artificial intelligence to detect ripe bell peppers, ensuring only the best produce is picked. This results in a higher quality yield and minimizes damage to the peppers. Furthermore, mechanized harvesting allows for greater scalability, making it easier for large farms to meet growing market demands without compromising efficiency. How bell pepper harvesting machines work. Bell pepper harvesting machines are sophisticated pieces of equipment designed to pick, sort, and transport peppers with minimal human intervention. These machines use various technologies to ensure the process is smooth and efficient. The first step in machine harvesting is sensing and identifying ripe peppers. Modern machines are equipped with AI-powered cameras and sensors that analyze the color, size, and ripeness of each bell pepper. This technology ensures that only fully ripened peppers are harvested, while unripe ones are left to mature further. Once ripe peppers are identified, the machine employs gentle picking mechanisms to pluck them from the plants without causing damage. Unlike crops like wheat or corn, which can be cut and processed easily, bell peppers require careful handling. Harvesting machines use soft robotic arms that mimic human hand movements, suction-based pickers that gently pull peppers from the stem, or rotating blades that make precise cuts to avoid harming the plant. After harvesting, the peppers go through a sorting and quality control process. Conveyor belt systems transport the peppers through a series of inspections where they are categorized based on size, color, and quality. Peppers that do not meet the required standards are set aside for processing into sauces, powders, or other food products. The remaining peppers are then transported and packed for distribution. Some farms integrate automated packing systems, which further speed up the process, ensuring that peppers reach consumers as fresh as possible. Types of bell pepper harvesting machines. There are several types of machines used in bell pepper harvesting, each designed for different farming needs. One of the most common is the self-propelled harvester, which moves through fields autonomously, scanning and picking peppers as it progresses. These machines are ideal for large-scale commercial farms that require high efficiency and minimal human intervention. Another type is the tractor-mounted harvester. which is attached to a tractor and powered by the vehicle. These harvesters are a great choice for medium-sized farms looking to improve efficiency without the cost of a fully autonomous system. While they require some human oversight, they significantly speed up the harvesting process. The most advanced category is robotic harvesters, which utilize artificial intelligence and machine learning to recognize and pick bell peppers with extreme precision. These machines are particularly useful in greenhouses and vertical farms, where controlled environments require delicate handling. They ensure minimal damage to the plants and improve overall yield efficiency. Some farms also use conveyor belt systems that transport manually or mechanically picked peppers to sorting and packaging stations. These systems are often combined with robotic arms for further automation, making the entire process faster and more efficient. Each type of machine offers unique benefits depending on the size of the farm, budget, and technological infrastructure. Challenges in machine-based bell pepper harvesting. Despite the many advantages of mechanized harvesting, some challenges still need to be addressed. One of the biggest concerns is damage to the peppers during harvesting. Bell peppers are delicate, and improper handling can lead to bruising or deformities. Engineers are continuously improving picking mechanisms to ensure a gentler approach. Another challenge is the high initial cost of harvesting machines. While they save money in the long run, small farms may struggle with the upfront investment required to purchase and maintain these advanced machines. However, as technology advances, prices are expected to become more affordable. Additionally, adaptation to different bell pepper varieties is a challenge. Bell peppers come in various shapes and sizes, making it difficult for machines to pick them with uniform accuracy. Ongoing developments in machine learning aim to improve adaptability and efficiency. Lastly, maintenance and software updates are necessary to keep the machines functioning at optimal levels, requiring farms to invest in regular servicing. The future of bell pepper harvesting is promising, thanks to continuous advancements in artificial intelligence, robotics, and automation. One of the most exciting developments is AI-powered harvesting, where machines learn from previous harvesting cycles to improve picking accuracy. These intelligent systems will further reduce waste and enhance yield quality. Drones are also expected to play a significant role in future farming. Drones equipped with hyperspectral imaging will be used to scan fields, monitor crop health, detect pests, and optimize harvesting schedules. This technology will help farmers maximize production while minimizing losses. Another major advancement is the development of smart greenhouses, where fully automated systems will take care of irrigation, climate control, and harvesting. These greenhouses will be equipped with robotic pickers, AI-driven monitoring, and controlled environments, ensuring maximum productivity. Sustainability is another key focus for the future. Researchers are working on developing energy-efficient harvesting machines that use solar power or other renewable energy sources. These innovations will reduce the environmental impact of large-scale farming while maintaining high levels of efficiency. The world of bell pepper farming has come a long way from traditional hand-picking methods. Thanks to cutting-edge harvesting machines, farmers can now harvest millions of colorful bell peppers daily, ensuring a steady supply to markets worldwide. From AI-powered sensors to gentle robotic arms, these machines are revolutionizing agriculture by increasing efficiency, reducing costs, and improving produce quality. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative and sustainable solutions to make bell pepper farming smarter and more productive than ever before. So next time you enjoy a fresh, crunchy bell pepper, remember the incredible machines that made it possible.